Hey everyone, and welcome back. Tom Cornelius here, application engineer at 3M. Today's topic is going to be mixing and applying our glaze. We've spread our body filler and sanded our body filler, and now we're ready to move on into the glaze steps following the 3M standard operating procedures. It's important to remember to wear your proper PPE. You can see today I'm wearing a pair of protective gloves. I have a respirator as well as safety glasses. Another thing to remember is that this video is recommended for the body shop or paint shop. For more safety and warranty information, please see the link below. Now that we've completed our body filler sanding steps and we've properly feather edged and refined the surrounding paint area, we're ready to move to our glaze step. A lot of the same principles for glaze that we learned in the previous video with mixing body filler is going to apply here. We want to use non-expired product, obviously. We want to make certain to knead our hardener before we use it. If it continues to separate for some reason, we want to throw that away and get a fresh tube of hardener. We want to use a clean mixing board. We don't recommend cardboard that could be contaminated. Again, it's going to be a 2% mix ratio, and a good rule of thumb is for a 3-inch puddle, we just want a average size bead of hardener across the diameter of that puddle. We don't want to see 2 lines or 3 lines or even 4 lines. We want to try to stick to, as close as we can, that 50 to 1% mix ratio. As we begin mixing our glaze, again, same principles apply. We want to fold and flatten the glaze. We don't want to stir the glaze and introduce air. We're looking for a nice uniform color, and if all possible, if we have time, we want to spread that material across the mixing board flat to get rid of any air that might be in the mix. At that point, we're ready to spread the glaze on the substrate. When we apply our glaze to the actual substrate, we want to follow a lot of the same considerations that we did with the body filler. We want to start out with a tight coat, followed by a build coat. Typically, we're not looking to build up the glaze, obviously, as thick as the body filler. Most of the filling has taken place with the body filler. We're just looking for a thin coat of glaze to help reduce the risk of pinholes, for example. But still, we want to start out with a tight coat, and then we can let up on our pressure and start to achieve our thinner build coats. And at that point, once we finish our glaze application, we can allow it to cure and move into the sanding steps. That wraps it up for the glaze application video. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, there's a lot of similarities to the body filler application and the glaze application, but hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you can hit that like button, or you can subscribe or share or comment. If you want to find more videos like this, please check out the 3M Collision Repair Academy. Thank you.